Clean your shower with this paper, and limescale won't settle for 2 weeks. You'll thank me for this trick. Your shower will look brand new, and it's completely free. The best part? No need for expensive detergents or harsh chemicals. All you need is regular baking paper from your kitchen. Take a piece of baking paper, dampen it slightly under running water, and crumple it into a ball. Use it to scrub the glass. Within moments, all the dirt will disappear, and the surface will shine. The difference between the cleaned and untouched sides is unbelievable. Forget wasting money on pricey glass cleaners. Baking paper does the trick. This simple method not only saves money, but is also environmentally friendly. Your bathroom will sparkle, and you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Give it a go, and enjoy a shower cabin that looks as good as new. This pink liquid is a real miracle. Cleaning the house has never been so enjoyable. Take a glass jar and pour in 100 milliliters of alcohol. Then add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, which is commonly known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a disinfectant, while the alcohol helps evaporate moisture, preventing streaks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Finally, pour in 3 cups of water to dilute the solution. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Gently shake the bottle to mix the ingredients thoroughly. This pink cleaner is excellent for tackling stubborn limescale in bathrooms. It works well on countertops, bathroom surfaces, and even glass. It provides effective cleaning while being gentle on surfaces. Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just 1 packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures.